Well, it's that time again. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the world famous Whitestone dome glass screen protector for the Galaxy S10. Now this thing is probably the best screen protector out there today for the Galaxy S phones. Basically, for any flagship device out there today, they make one of the best screen protectors out there in the market. This does have a full ultrasonic recognition features. This is probably the only tempered glass screen protector that's going to work with your Galaxy S10 phones with that in-display fingerprint. It has full clarity, full coverage, and full filling, meaning it leaves no air bubbles between the glass and the screen. And it does says pre-register your fingerprint after attaching the dome glass. So once you do install the Whitestone dome, you do have to re-register your fingerprint so it could give you more accurate reads. So nothing to it. Inside this is patent pending, globally patent local technology for dome glass. Nothing on the sides. On the back, just some mumbo jumbo. On the side, nothing. So let's go ahead and get the installation process started. So inside we have our UV light here, and this UV light is what cures the adhesive to the screen. Let's go ahead and get this ready. We have our instructions. Our necessities to properly install the tempered glass screen protector. We do have already the pre-installed swabs here on the side, which is excellent because I always forget to install these on the side and they're already installed on the tray, which is a great big up. And as you can see, the tray is already inserted as you're supposed to install it. You do have your bridge here and the two-piece and your screen protector here, and your tabs here to cover the speaker ports, and your adhesive. They do give you two adhesive just in case you mess up, but I've done this a couple times. Once you've done it, make sure you read the instructions properly. Make sure you head to the website. They have an actual video where it walks you step by step on how to properly install this. But once you've done a couple, it's pretty much, it's like riding a bike pretty much. So what we want to do is prep the device first. So we have our Galaxy S phone there. Let's go ahead and clean it. Bam. So you have your dust removal stickers, your swabs, and some nice microfiber cloths here. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to turn this off. And I still have my plastics. If you just bought the phone or you're planning on purchasing the Galaxy S phone, leave the plastics in there. It's going to help when you do this. So just in case that glue kind of drips to the side, it's not gonna mess you up pretty much. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna absorb some of that glue and you can just peel it and you'll be fine. Anyways, the glue doesn't do anything to the phone once it dries. Oh, look at that. I almost forgot to peel this off. This is original screen protector that comes for free with the phone. Don't forget to peel that off, man. I almost forgot to peel that off. That would have been a disaster. dust removal stickers. So what we want to do next is you want to grab your speaker ports here, and you want to cover the first one, which is here. Just kind of set it on there. Bam. You're good right there. And then this one's for, I'm assuming this one down here, but so kind of just press it like that and fold it back. You'll fold it back with the tray. So that's just to keep it from going into that speaker. You'll be fine though. Let's go ahead and give some more dust removal stickers here. Grab your screen protector here, peel the back off, kind of push it down there and set it on this tray. So you're gonna rock it back until it gets to the middle and pull. And I'm gonna wait till the adhesive goes all the way to the edges. So we're good right there. Now what we wanna do is we wanna get our UV light. We want to do 60 seconds and 60 seconds a minute. Just basically wait till the light turns off. Let's move this up ahead here. So you want to wait 60 seconds, a minute, and then a minute, and a minute, and then kind of just do it throughout. You do 15, 15, 15. I usually just do the minute. You're supposed to remove it, clean the device, and then do it again. A minute for each spot, top and bottom. A minute on top, top and bottom. I usually do the middle as well. But after you do 15 seconds, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, it's safe enough to remove the tray. So what we're going to do is remove the tray. We're going to remove the device here. And look at that. Voila. Beautiful installation. We're going to remove the sticker here. Bam. Let's get that out of the way. Let's remove this tray. So I'm just going to hit it with the minute here. Then the minute on the top, and then the minute on the bottom. The best screen protectors out there today, dude. These are dope. Look at that. Perfect installation. This thing looks flawless. Look at this beauty. Look at that. Nice. Damn. All right, so moment of truth. Let's turn this on. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-register our fingerprint, but for shits and giggles, let's see if it works without anyways. And it did. Look at that. So there's the fingerprint. Look at that. Bam. So look at that. Even with the screen off. I guess not. Bam, look at that. So we want to re-register anyways, even though it works fairly good. So we absolutely want to go down into security, biometrics, and you go to fingerprints. We want to actually delete this, remove this, and we want to add new ones. So this is how I hold the phone. I'm gonna add them like this. And we're done. So let's go ahead and try it out. Let me see. It opened right up, which is amazing. Let's try it again. Bam. Let's try it again. And that's from the screen off. And look at when the screen is on, you just go boom. Look at that, flawless. Now, the screen protector is a little on the pricey side, but it's well worth your money. You can get it for $49.99 with Prime shipping right now on Amazon. There is a 2-pack for about 80 bucks. If I'm you, I'm getting the 2-pack because accidents do happen. And as you can see, I do have my Pixel 3 XL right here. This thing took a face plant and it actually, the Whitestone dome actually saved my device. As you can see, it just took some damage there. I'm gonna remove that one and install another one. So if you want to save some money, get the 2-pack for 80 bucks, but for one it's 50 bucks. Link will be in the description below. Again, these are probably the best screen protectors out there today for any device. I don't care what you say, for any device, especially for the Galaxy S10s. These screen protectors were specifically made for the Galaxy S10s because it works with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions in regards to the installation process, make sure you hit the comments below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.